Well, you have probably already heard from your doctor or otherwise that curing tinnitus is not as simple as it seems. There are a huge number of possible causes for tinnitus, as it is not an illness in itself but a symptom. This is what makes it very difficult to stop the buzzing in your ear. What remedy used depends entirely upon the cause of the ringing in the ears. Before we look at the tinnitus treatments, let's take a look at the 4 common causes for tinnitus. 1. Hearing loss. Researchers have discovered that people with different forms of hearing loss often have tinnitus. 2. Loud noise. Prolonged exposure to noise can damage your hearing and cause tinnitus. 3. Medicine. Tinnitus is a side effect of many drugs, the most common being aspirin, and some antibiotics are possible causes for tinnitus. 4. Health problems such as allergies, tumors, heart problems, and neck and jaw problems. If your ears are ringing and you want to cure your tinnitus, the first thing you should do is go and see your doctor to stop the buzzing in your ear. He or she may be able to easily fix tinnitus, if it is caused by wax buildup, simply by removing the wax and curing the tinnitus. If your tinnitus is not due to this problem, your doctor will suggest the best course of tinnitus treatments. So, what options are available to you when you want to cure your tinnitus? 1. Maskers. These are small electronic devices which emit sounds to make tinnitus less noticeable. This helps to quieten rather than cure your tinnitus. However, for some people this is enough to help them forget about their tinnitus. 2. Hearing aids. As mentioned above, tinnitus is very often caused by hearing loss, so people with hearing loss related tinnitus who wear these hearing aids find that the more they can hear the things going on in the world, the less they can hear the ringing in their ears. 3. Medicine. This is one of the tinnitus treatments to speak with your doctor about when curing your tinnitus. There are medicines available to help stop the buzzing in your ears, but as we already know, there are medicines which can trigger tinnitus instead of curing tinnitus. 4. Counseling. It helps a lot to talk about it. You could even join a support group. If you are becoming depressed as a result of your tinnitus, this may be a good option for you to try. Stress worsens the buzzing in your ears, so try to relax if you want to stop the buzzing in your ear. If you joined a support group, you could meet someone with a tinnitus tip that can help you find some tinnitus relief. 5. Tinnitus retraining therapy. This method uses a combination of maskers and counseling, and helps you get used to the ringing in your ears. The use of the maskers helps you not to notice the tinnitus. It can take a while for you to see the results, but is worth it in the end. For more information how to relieve the symptoms of tinnitus, click the link in description.